Hello friends, today I will discuss about the software engineering. Is very important topic related to the software testing. The software testing, that means finding the error, intention of error. So first we have discussed about the verification and validation, label of the testing, type of the testing. Meaning of the testing is simply we have finding the finding the error, coding mistake, and another types of mistake. That is a testing. By default of occur, the system is failure inability to the system performance of the task. Automatic system tools. Automatic system check, manually check per create the tested user to the check. So first evolution of the testing. So first software requirement specification. So developer and customer both will be a check. What will be need of the developer and what need of the customer. So developer will be fulfill of the needed of the customer. So testing phases have SDLC, software development life cycle. Uh, so basically we have used to sub software development life cycle is a different types of model we use, just like as a waterfall model, uh, rapid prototype model, and different types of model will be used. So first, so I will discuss about the testing is verification and validation. Verification, that means we are building the right product, and verification is आर वी बिल्डिंग दी प्रोडक्ट राइटली, क्या हमने सही प्रोडक्ट बनाया है और जो हमने प्रोडक्ट बनाया है वो सही तरीके से वर्क कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. So types of testing is, so first we have a unit testing. Unit testing, that means separately tested each and every. Inter Integration testing, that means two or more module will be a joint. And system testing, the whole system will be used. Size of the single module can be tested is unit testing. Integration testing, if a single module work fine, now the time of tested it work fine to integrate it together. And system testing, system is a whole of the system to requirement specification working or not. So this is type of the testing. So testing strategy, first how to representing in a model. So first unit testing is also representing in the code. Integration testing is developing in the design. Validation, that means requirement. And system of testing, that means software system engineering. So testing approach is a functional testing and implementation testing. Functional testing is also known as a black box testing, and implementation testing is a white box testing. So first functional testing is a black box testing. So there are different types of black box testing. Is first is equivalence class testing. Second is to test the functionality of a program. Third is boundary value testing, acceptance testing, cause and effect graphical, pairwise testing, and state-based testing. And white box testing, that means two types of white box testing is also known as a glass box testing, performance testing, load testing, and stress testing. So first we have discussed about the black box testing. So acceptance testing is two types, is first alpha testing and second is a beta testing. Alpha testing, that means alpha is control environment, that means it will be a control of the environment, and beta testing is a real environment. Developer side is customer working of this software, that is known as a beta testing, and developer side of the developing of the software, that is a alpha testing. Implementation testing, testing is also known as a white box testing, to test the program and implement the standard. Is a control flow, data flow, and basic path testing. Control flow, that means coding of loop is working, also check. Data flow, that means data variable our whole system periodically. And basic path testing, if the system has ensured that every path should be a program has been executed at least one, that is known as a implement testing, and also in the black box testing. Non-functional testing is also is a two types. First, performance testing and load testing. Performance testing, that means they test the effectiveness average of tested of the software and discard the responsible time, requirement time, throughput time, and etc. Load testing tested with many users assess the system in the same time. That is a load testing. Stress testing identify the number of user system can be handled at the time before the breakdown. So stress, how do we check the stress of the system? System testing is dividing into three types: recovery testing, security and probability testing, and performance testing. Recovery testing to test the system ability to recover from the failure. Security and probability test is done when the software is maintained of the work platform or access or not. And performance testing is also known as performance, that means how many time will be taken to the software, discard, response time, requirement time, throughput time, and etc. To developing the software, how will be a work of a system of a software, that is a performance testing. Integration testing is top-down testing, bottom-up testing, regression testing, and smoke testing. Regression testing, that means move code, neglect, effect, check, update. That means regression testing, if any of the updation of the software, that means it will check any of the negative effect of the software or not. Smoke testing, crash to rebuild the new system and check is working or not. Suppose that some updation of the software is also known as a smoke testing. Regression testing, that means software is provide update with new code to delete there the negative impact of the coded. Suppose that a system is working or not of a new code, so new environment, so that is known as a regression testing. Smoke testing, that means rebuild the software and component, and that is known as a smoke testing. So first we have covered the testing, and then we have to going on a system software maintenance. So software maintenance, that means is broad included. That means error correction, enhancement, capability deletion of a capability, optimization of error, software platform of the changes. That means many of the software will be included to software of the maintenance. So first, how to be maintenance of a software? First is a corrective maintenance. This refer to the modification initially to reflect the software. That means error or bug. Adaptive maintenance, that means including the modify the software, the changing the every environment of work which is device is comfortable. Preventive maintenance, that means no boundation. It means improve the efficiency of performance resulting of the software to improve this base enhancement exiting of the functional improvement of the computational effect. So how many, suppose that 50% is testing, 7% in implementation, 8% design, and 3% is requirement, and 50 to 55% is of the software is a maintenance. Preventive maintenance is 5%, corrective is 20, adaptive is 20-25, and perfective is a 50 and 55 maintenance. Corrective maintenance, that means commonly referred as a remove of a bug. Corrective maintenance of the software product necessary to reflect the bug observed while the system is used. Adaptive maintenance, that means needed to maintenance when of the customer need to product run a new platform or new operating system is working fine or not. That is known as adaptive maintenance. Preventive maintenance, that means prevents to change the refer the evolution of the requirement feature in existing system. Software project needed to maintain the support any requirement. It want to change different functions system according to the customer depending of the enhancement and performance of the system, that is known as a perfective maintenance. Preventive maintenance to change made to increasing. The understanding the maintenance of your system is a long run. That is known as a preventive maintenance. Is also some of the definition is also in reconstruction, optimization, the code updation, documentation is a preventive maintenance. Re-engineering and reverse engineering. Most of the question always ask for the re-engineering and reverse engineering. That means re-engineering. Thank you.